Q8078, which is a requirement for life preservers during extended over-water operations. Each life preserver must be equipped with A. A dime marker. B. An approved survivor locator light. C. One flashlight having at least 2 size D cells or equivalent. The correct answer is B. The reason is that during extended over-water operations, the requirement for life preservers includes the need for each life preserver to be equipped with an approved survivor locator light. Extended over-water operations involve flights over large bodies of water where rescue and recovery operations may be challenging. In the event of an emergency landing or ditching, the survivor locator light plays a crucial role in enhancing the visibility of individuals wearing life preservers. The survivor locator light is designed to emit a bright and distinctive light signal, making it easier for search and rescue teams to locate and identify survivors in the water. This significantly improves the chances of timely rescue and survival in overwater emergencies. Therefore, the presence of an approved survivor locator light on each life preserver is a requirement to ensure the readiness and effectiveness of life-saving equipment during extended over-water operations. Q8079. In addition to fully equipped aircraft and life preservers, what emergency equipment must be provided during extended over-water operations? A. One water-resistant, surf-buoyant, portable survival-type emergency radio transmitter for each aircraft. B. Each aircraft must have at least one aircraft equipped with a survival-type emergency locator transmitter. C. One pyrotechnic signaling device for each aircraft. The correct answer is B. Any individual operating an aircraft in extended water operations must have a survival-type emergency locator transmitter attached to one of the approved life rafts. Q8057. A pilot may make an IFR departure from an airport that does not have an approved standard instrument approach procedure if A. There is a departure alternate within 60 minutes, and the weather there is above landing minimums. B. The administrator has issued operation specifications to the certificate holder approving the procedure. C. The departure airport is within 30 minutes flying time of another airport that has an approved standard instrument approach procedure. The correct answer is B. The reason is that for a pilot to make an IFR departure from an airport that does not have an approved standard instrument approach procedure, they must have operation specifications issued by the administrator that specifically approve the procedure. Operation specifications are documents that are issued by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to certificate holders, such as airlines or operators, outlining the specific conditions, limitations, and authorizations for their operations. These specifications are tailored to each certificate holder and may include provisions for conducting operations at airports without approved standard instrument approach procedures. By issuing operation specifications, the FAA ensures that the certificate holder has demonstrated the necessary procedures, training, and equipment to safely conduct IFR departures from airports without approved instrument approaches. These specifications establish the specific conditions under which the departure may be conducted, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and maintaining safety standards. Therefore, the presence of operation specifications, specifically approving the procedure, is required for a pilot to make an IFR departure from an airport without an approved standard instrument approach procedure. Q8063. Assuming the required ceiling exists, an alternate for the destination airport is not required under 14 CFR 135 if, for at least 1 hour before and after the ETA, the forecast visibility is at least A. 5 miles, or 3 miles more than the lowest applicable visibility minimums for the instrument approach procedure to be used, whichever is greater. B. 3 miles, or 2 miles more than the lowest applicable visibility minimums for the instrument approach procedure to be used, whichever is greater. C. 3 nautical miles, or 2 nautical miles more than the lowest applicable visibility minimums for the approach procedure to be used, whichever is greater. The correct answer is B. If the ceiling requirements are met and the visibility is predicted to be at least 3 miles or 2 miles more than the lowest applicable visibility minimums, whichever is greater, for the instrument approach technique to be employed at the destination airport, an alternate airport need not be identified. 8064. A pilot may not designate an airport as an alternate unless the weather reports or forecasts or any combination of them indicate that it will be at or above alternate airport landing minimum at the A. Time of departure. B. Estimated time of arrival plus or minus 1 hour. C. Estimated time of arrival. The correct answer is C. The reason is that when a pilot designates an airport as an alternate, it serves as an alternative landing option in case the aircraft is unable to land at the intended destination airport. To ensure the feasibility and safety of using the alternate airport, the weather conditions at the time of arrival are crucial. By requiring the weather reports or forecasts to indicate that the alternate airport will be at or above the alternate airport landing minimum at the estimated time of arrival, it ensures that the conditions at the alternate airport will be suitable for a safe landing. This requirement takes into account the time when the aircraft is expected to reach the alternate airport and ensures that the weather conditions will meet the minimum criteria for a successful approach and landing. Designating an airport as an alternate based on the estimated time of arrival allows the pilot to make informed decisions and plan accordingly. It ensures that the alternate airport is a viable option in case the weather conditions deteriorate or become unsuitable for landing at the destination airport. Therefore, the pilot must consider the weather conditions at the estimated time of arrival when designating an airport as an alternate, as stated in the answer choice.